Welcome back to Oopy's Soup Kitchen. Tonight we're going to be doing a delicious Dijon marinated salmon with asparagus for dinner, and we're going to be using the Ninja Sizzle again. We're starting now with the marinade, which you want to do better than me. You're supposed to marinate it between 1 and 2 hours. I totally forgot. So we're going to marinate it for as long as it takes me to do the other things I have to do. So I am starting with some wild caught coho salmon that Sean's brother actually for us. The recipe calls for 4 5 to 7 ounce fillets with the skin on. I don't even really know what I have here, but I'm gonna double the marinade just because I really like things to be juicy. All right, so once you get this nice and mixed in together, then we are going to ideally let this sit for 1 to 2 hours. That's probably not going to be what happens tonight, but we'll come back in just a little while and start cooking.
Like and subscribe to Oopy'sSoupKitchen.
Welcome back. We have had our salmon marinating probably like 20 minutes or so. I have the grill preheating at 375. Actually, no, it's not 375. It is 350. And I'm gonna go ahead and prep my asparagus. So I just have like one little bundle of asparagus here. And to that, I'm gonna add some canola oil. I mean, I guess that was probably like maybe 1 or 2 tablespoons. I'm so bad at this, telling you guys how much. Just whatever makes you happy. Then we have some kosher salt. We're just going to put on here. Some black pepper. And then Sean got this stuff called Spike all-purpose seasoning. I don't really know how to explain it. It almost reminds me of the seasoning that is in like the stovetop stuffing. It's so good and it really goes good on anything. So we're gonna add some of that in here, probably like 2 teaspoons, I would say. And then this vegetable seasoning that I buy at the grocery store, I don't know what the brand is, but it just says, it's like that called just vegetable seasoning. And I put this on like all of the vegetables that I cook. And I put a lot, so it doesn't have any salt in it, just so you know, in case you're like Sean, who like hates salty things. And then I'm just going to mix this all up like this. And whoopsie. Can I help you? So this is nice and mixed up. And we are going to just kind of sit this to the side and get ready to start our fish. So our grill has preheated to 350, not 375. And I'm just gonna take these salmon fillets and we're gonna put them on the grill, skin side down. Oh, listen to that sizzle. See if we can fit them all on there. I think we can. And then we're just gonna press down on them a little bit just to get those nice grill marks. Okay, and then I am gonna set a timer for 5 minutes and then we're gonna come back and flip them. All right, it's been 5 minutes. We are gonna flip these. Look at those grill marks. All right, we're gonna give this 5 more minutes and then we'll be back. Okay, it has been another 5 minutes and we are going to take these off. Oh, yeah. Oh, almost lost it. You know me, I just cannot cook a meal without a giant mess. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna crank this bad boy up to 500 and we're gonna let it heat up again. And I'm just gonna stick these in the microwave just to keep them hot while we do our asparagus. All right, so my grill should be preheated to 500 now. And I am gonna put these asparagus on here. I'm gonna hold off a sec because as soon as I do, it's gonna get really loud. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cook them for 10 minutes and I'm gonna flip them and turn them every 2 minutes. It wasn't as loud as I thought it was gonna be. This is harder than it looks. If you guys know an easier way to do this, let me know in the comments because this was a disaster. It's time for my favorite part, the taste. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm. Amazing, creamy with that Dijon, and then you taste those fresh herbs in there. It is just perfectly cooked. 10 out of 10 for this recipe. If you liked watching me today, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to Oopy's Soup Kitchen.